make a project morning alarm. The components required for this project are one breadboard, one 9-volt battery, one battery snapper, IC 555, 10 microfarad capacitor, two resistors of 10 kilo ohm, one resistor of 1 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm resistor, one BC547 NPN transistor, one LDR, one buzzer, and few connecting wires. First of all, we'll place IC 555 on the breadboard. The north side of the IC needs to be on the left side. We have to connect pin number 2 and 6 of the IC together with the help of jumper wire. So we'll connect pin number 2 of the IC and pin number 6 of the IC together. Now we have to connect a 1 kilo ohm resistor between positive supply of battery and pin number 7 of the IC. So this is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. The color code is brown, black, red. We have to connect one terminal of 1 kilo ohm resistor to the power supply pin. So we are going to use this upper power rail for the power supply, and the second end of the resistor we have to connect it to pin number 7 of the IC. Now we have to take a 10 kilo ohm resistor. We have to connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor between pin number 7 and pin number 2 of the IC. So one terminal of 10 kilo ohm resistor, we have to connect it to pin number 7 and another terminal to pin number 2 of the IC. Like this. Then we have to take a 10 microfarad capacitor. The 10 microfarad capacitor's positive terminal needs to be connected to pin number 2 and the negative terminal needs to be connected to ground pin. So the positive terminal will connect it to the pin number 2 and negative terminal will connect it to the negative rail of the breadboard. Let's take BC547 transistor. This is BC547 transistor. It has three terminals. First terminal is collector, second terminal is base, and third terminal is emitter. So place BC547 transistor on the breadboard. Then we have to connect LDR, that is light dependent resistor. LDR's one terminal should be connected to the base of the transistor and second terminal should be connected to the negative supply of the battery. So we have to connect our LDR, one terminal to the base and another terminal to the ground. Now we have to take a 100 kilo ohm resistor. 100 kilo ohm resistor's one terminal needs to be connected to the positive supply of battery and second terminal we have to connect it to the base of the transistor. So we'll connect our 100 kilo ohm resistor between base and the positive supply of battery like this. Now we have to connect the emitter terminal of the transistor to the ground. So we'll connect one wire to the emitter terminal and we'll connect it to the negative line of the breadboard. Now we have to connect a collector terminal of the transistor to the pin number 4 of the IC. So we'll take one connecting wire. One end of connecting wire will go to pin number 4 of the IC and the second end will go to the collector terminal of the transistor. So we have connected collector of the transistor to the pin number 4 of the IC. Now we have to connect another 10 kilo ohm resistor. One end of that resistor will connect to the positive supply of battery and second end we have to connect it to the pin number 4 of the IC. So this is a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Its one end we have to connect it to the positive supply of the battery and the second terminal we have to connect it to pin number 4 of the IC like this. Connect pin number 8 of the IC to the positive of the breadboard. And pin number 1 of the IC connected to the negative of the breadboard. So we have connected pin number 8 to the positive and pin number 1 to the ground. Now we have to connect a buzzer. So buzzer's positive terminal, that is red wire, we have to connect it to pin number 3 of the IC. And the negative to the negative of the battery. Now let's connect our battery to the circuit. So connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive rail of the breadboard and negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. As soon as the light falls on your LDR, the buzzer will start beeping. And as we remove the light from the LDR, the buzzer will stop ringing. So this is how morning alarm project is going to work. Thank you so much.